Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Did you know updating a product catalog in Odoo is just as easy as clicking a few pictures? Introducing the Product Image URL Odoo module. The Product Image URL module gives a realistic solution by allowing users to offer an instantaneous URL for product snapshots. The device mechanically retrieves and presents the picture once the URL is brought to the product or variation shape. Let's see how this module works. We will start by installing the module. You can find it in Odoo apps under the name Product Image URL. Once the module is installed, go to Sales and create new product. You can see the option for adding an image URL. Let's add this URL and save the product. This is the scheduler which will update the product images. To perform this action, click on Run manually, and the image is updated. You can also check it on Product Details section. This is all about using the Product URL Image module. Thank you for watching the video.